Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to share with you some of the opportunities I had for today, which was the last of the week, and I'll as well be sharing with you my projection for next week so you can see what we're looking at to do for the coming week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let's head to the screen. So guys, basically for today we did trade just 3 pairs, alright, and out of those 3 pairs which we traded for today, 2 are already in profits and then 1 is still in loss. So let's go ahead and check out this was CAD JPY. Alright, I already taken this trade and closed out since it was just a just this swing that I wanted to catch. So that was day trading, and then I now caught this one today. Alright, for clarity's sake, this is actually the trade. You can see where I took it. Okay, 0.08, and then the trade is still in profit. And then the second pair which we traded was the euro, if I'm not mistaken, UCAD. Okay, alright, so this is USCAD. I made this analysis prior to this time that since we have higher high and higher low at this point, this for me is a lower high. Take it to the bank or leave it. This for me higher high, this is higher low, so you can see and then boom, that is what I'm just expecting price to do. And for us to confirm here, you can see that okay, this is it, 0.08 again, and price is still moving. But before we continue, I did send it to my free Telegram group. Okay, you can see this is it. So if you're not here, I'll urge you to come into this group because this is where I usually send signals for guys right here. This was when I was about to enter the trade. I told them I'm on Euro CAD buys. Okay, I took the trade, and the next time we saw was that the TP1 hit, and then boom, I did also send this one that was in, and this is the one I sent this evening. So this is the one I sent today again. Alright, GBP was what I did send. Alright, this is it. Excuse me. For this pair, I'm not really sure. I'm not gonna lie to you. I do not know what is going to happen, but I know that the GBP AUD and Euro CAD correlate little. Alright, similarly they correlate together. But since I just saw my normal moves and how price usually go, I decided to give them a try. By the way, if I should lose this pair, alright, I'm always risking 1:3, just like what you're seeing, 3.02. So whatever happens, I know that other trades are there to back me up, and here is it on this particular one here. Here is it. It is based on my based on that the pair is volatile, I did use 0.04 to match up with my risk management, guys. So if you like this video, do well to, if you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. And in case you also looking forward to get the prediction for the upcoming week, do well to check out my Telegram channel. It will be dropped there, and you get the predictions as fast as possible. So see you in the next video.